In this session, we will continue to work with variables by writing the code for a program that prompts the user for their name and age, stores these values received from the user into separate variables, and then outputs the values from the variables to the screen. Here, we start with a variable called name, and then call a command or function called input. We will explain functions in detail later on the course. Until we do, however, I will use the term command to support understanding of the content. We call the input command because we want the user to be able to input their name and pass a prompt to the user on what to type in. The user is then able to type in their name because of the inbuilt command input, which receives the input value from the user and passes it to the variable name. Here on line 5, the next statement asks the user to enter their age. Again, we provide the prompt, please enter your age. The input command receives an integer value from the user and passes it to the variable age. The only difference on this statement is that here we have qualified what kind of data we wish to receive as input by providing the data type int before the input command. This means we expect to receive a whole number value. Data types will be covered in detail in another session on this course. The last statement on line 6 calls on the inbuilt print command to output the text, your name is, followed by the value in the variable name, followed by the text and you are, followed by the value in the variable age, followed by the text years old. The commas between text and variables allow the print function to handle or process different types of data. This is because a literal string value is seen and processed differently than a variable in Python programming. Let's run the program and see what it gives us. The program starts with a prompt asking us to enter our name. After the input, it then prompts us to enter our age. And then finally, the program outputs the literal string, your name is, the input we provided for our name, in this case, John, and you are, then it provides the integer value that the user input, in this case, 100, years old.